Welcome to Rab's Reviews. Today I am looking at an HDMI switch made by Venton, purchased on Amazon UK. This switch is a 5x1 device, allowing up to 5 HDMI sources but with one output. My configuration will take the output from this and put it into an HDMI splitter. The splitter sends an identical signal to the TV and the projector. Currently I am feeding 3 sources into the switch: an Android box, a PlayStation and a Skybox. The switch is advertised as supporting 4K pictures along with traditional HD at 1080p and 3D sources. My configuration has mixed 4K and HDI inputs and displays. In the box is the device itself along with a simple remote control, a USB power cable and product documentations. The device itself is tiny, only 10 cm wide. It is lightweight too, more on that later. 4 of the inputs are to the back, the others on the side. The output is on the opposite side along with the power in jack. The supplied cable is short. I would have preferred a more common micro USB cable, as my spares box contained a number of these in various sizes. A longer replacement cable could easily be sourced on Amazon or eBay if required. On the front there is a select button, the IR receiving port, a display showing which device is connected and a power on LED. The LED is quite bright, so you may choose to cover this. Remember to remove the protective cover from the front. In use, both the remote control and the select button worked well. I suspect I'll hide the remote in the drawer and only use the select button. I rarely change source during a video session. During selection, the device will only stop on live sources. For me, this is great. The supplied remote is simplicity itself. Simply press a button. If you select a dead source, nothing will happen. With both the remote and the select buttons, there's a short pause when the input is changed while the device figures out what it's doing. This is not disruptive to the viewing. So, not the longest power cable in the world, but it turned out it's long enough for me. Adding this switch to my setup takes the number of USB power feeds required to 3. This switch, my splitter and my Bluetooth transmitter. It was time to tidy the plugs into the single unit sourced on Amazon. As supplied, all the sockets are protected with these covers. I'm only using 3 sources, so opting for the 3 on the back. Keeping the other covers in place is probably a good idea. Remember to pull the piece of plastic out of the bottom of the remote control to enable the battery. Cabling was, as envisaged, a nightmare. I did invest in these beauties to assist. High quality HDMI cables, but suitably short, assisted in the build. Cabling in place, but as hinted earlier, the box is small and lightweight. The weight of the cables has the box leaping everywhere. There are no mounting points. So heavy duty Velcro keeps this and my other devices where I put them. Everything in place and all working. Over the weekend I've tried all the sources and both my displays. Operation has been faultless. Picture quality is great. From my point of view, the only thing missing from this device is an audio out. This would have helped me a bit. Oh well, can't have everything. This is a decent box at a fair price point. Thanks for watching.